Arrived safely here in Boracay. This is Kuya Jeff. So we rented the e-trike for 400 magmula dun sa port. We have arrived here in Savoy, Boracay. Medyo gabi na. Pretty Instagrammable, yeah. This is our room. Okay naman siya. Pinili namin yung 2 beds para pag nagdumi dito, lipat kami sa kabila. Dito na kami magdi-dinner sa Savoy Cafe inside Savoy Hotel. Kasi sure namin na masarap ang food dito dahil nakakain na kami sa iba pang hotels nila. Is masarap. This is the view from our room. Morning walk going to the... Good morning, people. This is where we're staying at. This is Savoy Hotel Boracay. So we're going to the beach area. We'll be checking the spot where we can do yoga later. The beach area and the Gimikan. In the morning, that's Belmont. That's where we stayed 2 years ago. Here we go. This is the room. Okay naman. Queen bed. There's a couch over here. And the most important thing is a coffee. And this is where the terrace is. Yes, pretty naman. And marami din ditong mga shops. I'm gonna stay here in Savoy. There's Gongcha, there's Oliver Shack. This is the other side of the pool. So dalawa yung pool, actually tatlo. Oy, may foam party. Yes. This is the spa area. This is the gym. Savoy Classic Burger at 750. This is the best time here at the beach in New Coast. We're staying in Savoy kasi ayun na yung keyhole, oh, very near, about 10 to 15 minutes walk lang from our hotel. At hindi ganun karaming tao.
Kaya if you're planning to go to Boracay, try nyo na ang Savoy. Thank you guys for watching!